In this video, we'll run through some essential tips you've got to know if you're thinking about installing your ExoShield ULTRA in cold weather. The first thing to keep in mind is that ExoShield ULTRA is best installed in a warm space, somewhere that you can bring up to room temperature during the installation and keep around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius for 24 hours after the install. If you reintroduce your freshly protected windshield to the cold too soon, there's a chance that the remaining moisture will freeze and cause visibility issues with your final product. The second tip is don't use too much soap in your slip solution. If you mix your solution too soapy, the remaining moisture between the film and the glass can trap the soap and leave white marks throughout the piece of ExoShield ULTRA. While this may dry out or dissolve in the warmer summer months, you won't want to go all winter without a clear windshield. Number 3, this one is true all year round, but it's especially important in the colder months. You need to squeegee out as much moisture as you can during the installation squeegee step. The more moisture remaining between ExoShield ULTRA and the glass means the longer it's going to take to cure. If you do find yourself with too much moisture trapped under the film, try to find a warm place where you can store your vehicle until the film gets fully cured. To wrap things up here, if you don't have a space you can keep warm overnight, or you're just looking for a top-notch install, we suggest contacting the professionals in your area. Head to our website and check out our installer map to search for an ExoShield partner near you. This way, you can be confident about the final results and get the level of protection you expect when you need it the most. Well, that's everything you need to know about getting protected by ExoShield ULTRA in the winter. Thanks for watching and happy wheeling.